SSB and RETRAZERK, and SSB has some shit to say before the match.
So how you feeling about winning the...
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with SSB.
Shut up! You are so useless, okay? You are very useless. And your questions, I already know your questions. RETRAZERK, you and me have no fucking business together. But of course you want to cling on to someone that is on a roll. I hate people like you. I hate anything like you. And guess what? You want SSB for your first match on Frenzy? One-on-one? Tonight, I'm going to destroy every part of you and move forward and be the world champion you dreamed of. But you will never be world champion again after what SSB does to you. Because I replace you. I replace MXL. I replace the idiot at World Battle. I am the one. And I will prove that tonight when I kick your ass out of ABWF.